Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing very good today. I had a little bit of problems with my microphone, but we're back. We're back. Regular trading hours today was a nice gap. The 1 minute gap from open, from close here, from close yesterday, open today. See if he wants to come back to the middle of the range. If it doesn't, that's fine. Stop loss has to be on the high. Take profit. We're gonna take it in the middle of the gap. That's what's up. See what happens. Welcome in. I'm bearish right now to the middle of the gap. Opening day gap. Good morning. Welcome in. We're bearish right now till here. The open, let me see what happened. I started the stream late. Problems with my microphone. But the open of the day is here. And it went shoot up. So you might want to come down here, fill this in right here. This is a fair value gap. 15 minutes, I'm looking at a swing high right here. It's making a swing high. This candle stays underneath this candle here. We're on the way down. The body's got to stay underneath this body's here on the swing high. Has to kill this candle here, boom, kill it, and make this an auto block right here. If it doesn't, you gotta get out. You don't let the price come up here and get your stop loss. If it doesn't do this, you gotta get the fuck out. Just let it play. Let it play to the middle of the gap. Welcome in. If anybody's trading has problems, let me know. Hit me up. Ask questions. Regular trading hours. If you go to regular trading hours in the 1 minute, at 9:30 opens, at 9 closes. The day before it closes at 4:14, and it opens at 9:30 on the day after. This gap, if it's a big gap, from 9:30 to 10, it will trade back into the middle of the gap. So if we're correct, it should be going down to the middle of the gap, at least to the middle of the gap. But I can see that there's a lot of volume down here. There's a lot of sell stops underneath the market. Excuse me. Oh, my bad. I wanted to open another screen over here so I can see S&P 500. Oh, it's bullish as fuck. S&P 500 is bullish. The gap is a nice gap also with S&P 500. There's no news today, so. But if he doesn't want to go down, he doesn't want to go down. What can you do? What can you do, my friend? Right here, everybody got scared. Get the fuck out. Everybody got scared and got the fuck out of the trade. My problem is it didn't break underneath this low right here with the bodies. That's my problem. If you would have broken underneath this low right here with the bodies, I would have been straight going down. But this fucker's going up. It's been bullish for the longest time. I'm out. I'm out of this trade right now. I'll look for another position later. This is the daily right here. If you go to the daily, this fuckers, they're bullish, but we don't know where they want to go. All-time highs. Why? If you go to Dow Jones has buy stops on top of the market. This is what NASDAQ and S&P 500 follow. So if Dow Jones is bullish, S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 is going to be bullish. So I'm still bullish until this breaks up here. Once it breaks up here, then we look for a break of market structure to the downside. But since I wanted to see a trade back to the middle of the gap, just to the middle of the gap to come back up. That was it. That's what I was looking for. That was it, but they didn't give it to me. So that's fine. It's nothing. Let's put our gap back up. From the close of yesterday to the open of today. So now we look for market shift break to the downside if it's gonna go back down to the down here. We just gotta wait. Be patient. Didn't make it. It's 9:54. It's not gonna go down there right now. I saw somebody. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. Looking for a break of market shift to the downside to go down here to the bit of the gap. If it breaks down here, that means I'm not respecting this one. Then we can sell again. I sold here thinking it was gonna go down, but he took me out. So I'm looking to see if I can get back in. Once it breaks down here, boom, break. Now we wait for break. Now wait for a little pullback into here. Bitch. Don't tell me. Yeah, see, I got out and look at this shit. I told you it's gonna go back to the fucking middle of the gap. If it gives me a pullback into this candle, we'll get in. If it does. Come on. Come on. Welcome in, guys. Follow me. Learn market structure. Any questions, hit me up. Come on, Bubba. Come to me. Come right here. No? You're not coming up. Nope, not. Good thing S&P behind. You see this? This is S&P 500. Look at the gap is from the close from yesterday to the open of today. That's my gap. There's no divergence between the highs. There's no divergence. We have an imbalance in here that needs to be filled in right at equilibrium of the gap. There's mad money down here. There's a lot of money down here. Nothing. My problem is that S&P 500 did not break to the downside. See, did not break this candle here yet. The candle that Nasdaq broke, this guy didn't break. Once it break, if S&P breaks it now, we can sell S&P 500. I think I'm gonna sell 500. Oh, stop loss right there, because if you're wrong, if you're wrong, you want to get taken out quick. So we're not selling S&P 500. Let me move. Let me move Nasdaq out of here. Put him over here. Nasdaq is almost at the middle of the gap already. See how this is what I was expecting from Nasdaq, but it didn't. See how he broke underneath and then he came back and retested. Boom, repriced to the order block. Boom, to the breaker. This is a breaker. Repriced to the breaker. Now he's willingness to go down here. There's nothing holding price from coming down here, but up here going up. There's resistance going up. See, so. If you're walking through the forest, you don't want to go through trees. You want to go through you know what I mean? So on the way down, there's nothing to resist price from coming down, but there is from going up. Resisting price from going up. Nasdaq is already at the look at this fucker. Can you do? Single, mírame mal. Paperiba. Después de mí. Vamos a atender. You don't want to sell down here. It's almost at equilibrium. Why you want to sell down here? Welcome in. This is the hourly. This is the open from yesterday. It went straight up. Is the open, low, high can be the close for the day. There's no news today. There's nothing going on in the world of government today. Vámonos. I know where you're going. Let's go. What time is it? 10 o'clock. It's 9:50 to 10:10. Micro running 2 stops. 9:50 to 10:10. Welcome in, my peoples. How is everybody doing? God bless you all. How is everybody doing? I hope you're a trader and you're doing very good on this. And you are profitable, my peoples. And if you're not, if you're having problems, hit me up. I'll help you out. I'm not gonna charge you. Don't pay for anything out there. There's a lot of information out here that's for free. You don't need to be paying for nobody out there to teach you. No curses. You don't pay for nothing. There's a lot of stuff out here for free that you can learn. You just gotta put your work in. That's all. This requires your work. If you don't put your work in, you're not going nowhere. And if this ship this buster's not gonna go down, I'm getting it out also. It doesn't matter. But it should. If you follow NASDAQ. Let me see what NASDAQ's doing. What's the matter with you? Welcome in, my peoples. Welcome in. Follow me on TikTok. This already came down to the middle of the gap. I don't think this guy wants to come down. Nope. Contigo iba a empezar. Pero vida en otro mundo podrá ser. If NASDAQ turns around, then we gotta get out of S&P. It doesn't turn around, it's coming down here. There's a lot of money here. There's an imbalance in here also. There's a volume imbalance here. It has to be filled in. And we have a fair value gap, volume imbalance. That's a low. This is the high that it went up. Nothing has come down here yet. See how our trade's going? Oh, Jesus Christ. So you can permit this right here to color outside the lines. It's like a 2-year-old child painting a color book, and they paint outside the line because they don't know better, right? So the same thing. You paint a little bit outside the line, filled in this right here, and then we're rolling back down. No te puedo borrar, no. Hi everybody, how you guys doing? Everybody good? Talk to me. Nobody wants to talk. Nobody has questions. Everybody knows everything about trading. This is nice. Double bottoms down here also. Check this out. Boom. Double bottoms. And if we're looking at the ranges, we gotta go to the 5 minutes. Or the 15 minutes. I found it. See how fast you find the range from here to here. We're trading from this high to this low. And where's equilibrium of this range right here, and what's right underneath it, the equilibrium of the gap. See how everything combines together. Everything combines together. Once you have everything done, once you study everything and you know everything, everything's gonna combine together. The ranges, equilibrium, the gaps, all the PDRAs that you're gonna find in the quadrants of the ranges. Once you have your high and your low, then you look for your PDRAs, you look for your auto blocks, your breakers. There's also what's it called? Rejection block, fair value gaps. Just gotta know how to manage your entry, manage your stop loss. You need to treat this like a business. You don't want to lose a lot of money. You want to make more money than you lose. But the strategy that I use, you can lose 7 out of 10 trades and you still profitable because of how you're treating your account, how you're exposing your account, what you're risking. Join my live. Join my live. Follow me, my people. Follow me. You can share my live. You can share it also with your friends. Come and learn market structure so you can kill the market makers. You don't see no indicators up in here, no lines, nothing. This is just a chart, knowing what I'm doing, looking at price, looking at lows, looking at highs, knowing what the price is gonna do at what time it's gonna do it. Don't get scared. If it's already down here, why is it gonna come down here and not take this out? It doesn't make any sense. You're gonna go make it almost to the store and just turn around. Come on. You're almost at the store. You're almost there to buy your shit. Or you're gonna turn around and go back home. You know what I mean? So if it's on the way down to get these, why is it gonna turn around? It's gonna come and get this fuckers. There's a lot of money down here. There's money down here also. But it can take its time to get there. NASDAQ already killed everybody. I was in... No, that's not that one. I was in NASDAQ and... Look at that, huh? Damn. Look at that. Nice one, huh? What happened here? Made a displacement. Displacement. Filled in a little bit, see? Left this over here as a runaway gap, and it took off. Took off. And this is going somewhere that we don't even know where it's going to be. We don't know where it's going. We have nothing on the lead, not in the monthly, not in the weekly, not in the month, not in the 12 months, nothing. There's nothing up there that we can say is going up there. Look at this. This is, so if you can't hang your fib on a high over here, because your fib was from, my fib was from this high to this low. You already broke to the upside. So my fib's still down here because nothing has gone under this low yet. Nothing. So there's no new lows yet. See, there's nothing, no new lows around here. Nothing. There's no new lows. This low here did not break underneath this wick here, so that's not a new low. You see that? So that's not a new low. We're still waiting for it to make what? A new high. Once it makes a new high, we are gonna be at what? Very, 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 very deep premium prices. It's gonna be mad. It's gonna be a madhouse. Once it breaks market structure to the downside, we already know all this right here is gonna be our take profits. This low, this low, this low, this low. I don't count that low. This in here, this low, until it gets down here. So this is gonna be all what? Outside liquidity. Inside liquidity, taken. All this inside liquidity is taken. When it comes down, gonna go for the outside liquidity. Yeah, I don't put. I need my charts clean. So, on the way down, the brush stays without paint. If you're a painter and you paint, if you're a painter, you're painting. This is how I got taught this. Okay, this is what my mentor taught me, and this is the same words because there's no other way to describe it. So you're painting the wall. Over here, you ran out of paint. What's gonna happen? This right here, you're picking up paint and went back up to fill in what? This imbalance. So the paint went back up. Now you're out of paint again. What happens? Go back up. Fill in all these imbalances. So you ran out of paint, picking up paint, filled in. Now on the way down, now we're picking up paint again. And we're coming down probably to this low, maybe to this low right there, and then drop again. So it's all relevant. So what you need to know, what you understand about the market. If it breaks the low here, right? If the market breaks the low here, right there, this low here, market breaks to the downside, right? If market breaks to the downside and it's gonna go back up, it's gonna do this. Okay? When the market breaks the downside and it's not gonna go up, it's gonna break the downside, accumulate, and drop. Understanding? I don't see a reversal here. I see a break of this low and accumulation. That means we're still gonna go down. So we're not we're not buying this. We're not back to bullish. Just because it did this, not back to bullish. We broke underneath accumulation. We're on another. If it's accumulation, it's gonna come up here. Manipulation, distribution to the downside. I love this right here. This double bottoms right here. Right before what? The middle of the gap. And right before what? Equilibrium of what? The range. It's all ranges. Once you understand the ranges, you got them. You got them. Certain ranges from equilibrium. From discount to premium, from premium to discount. If you're on the way up and it makes a high, it's gonna come back to equilibrium into discount to continue going up. Take all the people that are with a lot of traders here are buying, buy. Everybody bought. Everybody's buying right now, right? And they're waiting for this to come here and go back up. It's not gonna do that. It's gonna come down. It's gonna take everybody out. Doesn't like anybody following it. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. It opened all day, went up. At 11 o'clock, from 10 to 12 is London close. From 12 to 2 is London lunch. At 11 o'clock, it's going to come back down and get everybody that's been buying all day and it's in profit. It's going to come back down and get them all. And what time is it? 10:30. So by 11:30, should be down here. By 11:30, 12 o'clock, maybe down here. This right here, it's a auto block with a breaker for CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency right here. That's not a fair value gap. That's a CB. So you got three things here that's gonna hold price from going up. You got three objectives here, three PDRAs together. That's a lot of resistance right there. What time is it? This is right now is just hanging around from 10:50 to 11:10 is gonna drop to get these right here. So wait for it for like 10:50. Watch it how it's gonna move at 10:50 to 11:10. It's all time and price. We're trading time and price, not price and time. Time and price. What time is it? Where is price? What has it done? Where it's coming from? Daily time frames that we're bullish and we're bearish. We're bullish in the higher time frames. We're bullish in the daily. We're bullish. The weekly we're bullish, but we're trading against the move of the market because we're right here. We're premium. We gotta come back down into discount so we can continue going up. And this is the lower time frames also. So the higher time frames is telling me right now, though, the hourly is telling me that he made the high. I mean, it made the open yesterday. He made the low. This is probably gonna be your high of the day, and it's making a close of the day for tomorrow. There's no news or nothing today, so the candle can be a small candle today. We only trading to the middle of the gap. I don't care what happens after that. We don't give a shit what happens. It can continue going down. It can continue doing whatever it wants to do. I don't give a shit what happens after that. I'm trading to here. That's my trade, and that's it. And I'm closing my shit, and I'm out. You understand? You don't stay in this shit because your money's gonna go back to them. Because it can come down here to equilibrium, come right a little bit down into, and just shoot back up. Or it can continue going down. Who knows? But we only trade into the middle of the gap. That's our trade. That's what we need, and that's it. That's it. Come on, baby. What time is it? Oh, did it earlier than 10:50. See ya. Whoever didn't get out here, stayed in here, now they're gone. See ya. Did I tell you that if he's gonna come here, why is he gonna come here and not make it to the store? The store is right here. You got a whole bunch of money right here. It's on the way down. Everybody's like, oh man, it's not gonna get there. This is an auto block. Buy this bitch. Buy this bitch. Auto stop loss right here. See ya. Gone. Now we're gonna see what happens now because after he takes out a low, it can reverse and not even make it to the middle of the gap. Now it's gonna make it, yeah. Cause look at Nasdaq is all the way underneath. Did I tell you that Nasdaq had a what imbalance down here? Did I not tell you that Nasdaq had an imbalance down here? And where is it? Almost there. Look at that. You need to read market structure and see what it's doing. This right here is a volume imbalance. You see that? It's going right in that motherfucker. Market structure, baby. ICT, my friends. ICT. Welcome in, my peoples. Welcome in. We're up $500. We lost earlier $1,000 because I got out of Nasdaq. I should have stayed in Nasdaq, and I got out. But it's all right. That's no problemos. That's no problemos. Now we need a pullback, a reprice to the low of the double bottoms. Reprice to there and drop. You can sell there. That's a nice sell. You can add more to your account. Your stop loss goes all the way down now, all the way down here. So you're plus 13, plus 16 pips. So if you got a free trade. Your stop goes down now. If you're trading at a 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 10 lots, you should go down to 5 lots and pull your stop loss down. I'm only trading at 1 lot, so I have nothing to take out. I have no partials to take out. I'm only trading at 1 lot. So if it's gonna get there, or if it's not gonna get there, then I have to get out. That's why you gotta babysit your trade. Oh man, that's beautiful. Look at that. Reprice back right to the double bottoms. It just broke that right there. Boom, reprice to that bitch and then drop. What do you think about that one, guys? Huh? You like that? No? No like it? You don't like being profitable in trading? Be profitable in trading. You just gotta learn market structure, my peoples. Stop believing these people that are selling you whatever is just selling you. They're selling you. I'll teach you how to trade, and I'll give you signals. You can take my signals and you can make money. Yeah, give me $200 a month, and fuck that shit. Don't do that. Don't do that. Everything's for free up in this bitch. Everything that I show you is for free. I have a YouTube channel also. It's for free over there also. My YouTube channel starts with Creative Traders. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, the name is Creative Traders, but it starts with teaching you how candles open and close. What are we looking for? It's teaching you highs and lows. That's the first thing you gotta learn is highs and lows. If you don't learn your highs and lows, you're not gonna learn your ranges. Your ranges, these trades in ranges. 63 ticks almost in the pocket. You see that? So if it why are you gonna get out if it's here? You think it's not gonna get there? Come on, man. Look at that, there's a lot of money down here. So it starts teaching you about highs and lows, equilibrium, which is the first thing you need to learn in your in this strategy in market structure. So if you don't understand how candles open and close, that's the first thing I show. I that's the first thing I teach you is how the candles open and close. How this one open closes and this one opens at the close of the candle before it. It opens at the close and then it closes and then the other one. And I explain everything there on my YouTube. On your highs and lows and equilibrium, which is the first thing you should understand. And do not look for your break of market shift in the 1 minute. You look for your break of market shift in the 15 minutes or in the 5 minutes. Break of market shift, it's daily. Break of market structure, it's in the higher time frames. And the break of market shift is in the lower time frames. Once this takes profit right here, I'm going to close my account. I'm going to close everything and I'm done for the day. That's how you got to treat trading. You get this win right here, you're not going to go back in there in the afternoon and try to make more money because you can lose it, especially if you're a new trader. Your stop loss can go all the way down to equal lows because it's not going to go back there. You already reprice to it. Look at that thing. Go, baby. There we go. Come on. Come on. Take that profit, baby. Take that profit. Let's go. Huh? What you guys think about that one? You guys took it with me? If you guys took it with me, congrats. You guys made some money. No te enamores, baboni. No te enamores, baboni. How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Almost I take profit. Almost I take profit. Almost I take profit. I already explained everything that happened in this market structure here. So this video is gonna be posted on my YouTube later on tonight. If anybody wants to, go there and watch it again. Everything that happened here today, from the time I came in to here, I explained everything. I'm just waiting for this sucker to take profit. It was a nice trading day today because there's no news. There's nothing. So market structure is going to be nice. Market structure is going to be beautiful. There's no news. There's no talking about nothing. There's nobody speaking. Nothing at all. Not even Trump speaking today. So you know what? Market maker is going to be chill and relax. And the market structure is going to be beautiful. Look at this. Boom. Took out the high. Took out the low. See ya. You know, Once you see it breaking the high, once you see this make this high and break down to the downside, breaking this down here, you're good. You got them. All you gotta wait for is just a pullback. You sell this. And you don't buy this until it makes a new low. It has to make a new low for it to go back up. The low has to be, for me, has to be like this. A low, break market shift to the upside here, come back down, go back up. That's my low, but that's my new long-term low. Then I can wait for a pullback here and buy to go up. So here everybody's like, oh my god, it's gonna go back up. Traders don't know what they're looking at. They don't know. There's nothing here that's gonna tell me it's breaking to the upside. Nothing. So why you wanna get out? Don't get out. Wait for it to break your, take your shit. Take your you'll take profit. You'll take profit. Come on, man. I gotta go to work, B. Let's go. What time is it? 10:36. This right here is your order block. This one right here. It's gonna come in here, reprice of the order block, not even pay attention to it, and it's just gonna drop. What's going on, my peoples? Any questions? Hit me up. See, everything in here is all wicks. You gotta wait for it to come in with the bodies. I like it when it comes in and fills it in with the bodies and then drops. Wicks are gaps. So this is all it's making is gaps. Once it comes up with the bodies in here, with the bodies, boom, boom, then it can drop. See, the bodies, see? In here, bodies. All this right here is accumulation. Bodies, bodies, drop. Wicks do the damage. The body gives you the story. Okay? So you see how the body stayed underneath the order block. This candle here should drop and make this a swing high. If it doesn't, then you gotta get out. Come on, baby. Gotta go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Right there. Yeah, you right there. Drop. There we go. Don't even respect that one. Don't even respect it. Drop it. There you go. tarde, ron. Dame tu balcón. Por la tarde, ron. Sale tu balcón. Thank you, Byron. Thank you, Byron, for that follow. Por la tarde, ron. Sale tu balcón. How is everybody doing? Everybody doing good? Taking my take profit right now so I can go to work. I got a job to go do. I know what you're waiting for. I know. It's picking up buy orders here. It's people buying, sell stuff's underneath. Buy. It's going up. It's done. The movie's done. This is a low. That's not a low, people. That's not a low. It's not a low. Ve tú para la montaña que yo me quedo acá. It's being hard to get. It's playing hard to get. Oh, you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna. I say I'm gonna get you, fucker. Come on. Come on, Poppy. Come on, Mops. There we go. Come on. So I can close this door. There you go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, compadre. Oh, Jesus. Stop laughing. Oh, my goodness. All right, my people. The day's over. To profit. That's all you got to do. Close down. Go do what you got to do with your life. You got to go to work. Go to work. If you have to do whatever you gotta do in life, go do it right now. Close this shit down. Don't trade no more. Get out. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. God bless you all. Have a great day. Good luck to all traders out there.